Hey guys, today we're coming from the Union Station. Yes, this is part of our railroad stuff. Anyway, we are going to go inside and we're going to take a look around. We've got 3 museums to look at. We've got an arm museum, we have a train museum, and we have a car museum. Hey, how you doing, man? Peace, dude. Anyway, let's go in and just see what we got, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. This is one of the old fountains. There's 2 of them in here. They're identical on both sides of the station. And I remember when they worked, and I used to drink from them as a little kid. Okay guys, see these tracks right here, and track 2, 1921. I just checked the date on them. 1921. On rail number 1, 1956 is the date of the rails. Look what I found sitting back here. It's all fading. The old design, the snowflakes and stuff, they're all fading. It's just rusting. We're gonna do a comparison because you can see it right there. So hold on, I'm gonna go walk over and take the gift bag off. We'll walk over. Okay, this is me being hit by the Rio Grande. Hey guys, Dancing with Owls here. Hey, listen, if you're listening to my voice right now, that means you've come to the end of the video. I hope you really liked it, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and hit that like button, and make a comment if you have anything to say. I will try to answer all comments at come to the channel. So thank you guys so much for your interest, and thank you. I hope I gave you a smile on your face, and we will see you in the next video.